Here at Beckwood, we believe that precision and innovation are the foundation of medical manufacturing. Our advanced press technology shape the future of healthcare, one component at a time. We know that the machines we build play a critical role in producing life-saving devices, and that precision isn't just important, it's essential. Medical manufacturing is clean, high-tech, and precise. And it was important to us that we made our equipment to match. With our Servo-Electric line, our machines can perform to the highest degree of accuracy from both a position and a force standpoint.
When it comes to the medical space, it could be anything from surgical tools to battery packs for pacemakers to UH&W PE for implants.
Beckwood's Servo-Electric EVO line is the perfect fit for medical manufacturers. Its oil-free design eliminates the risk of contamination on your part. In addition, it's very compact and has precision control to meet all of your needs.
The main benefits really come down to precision, and in the medical industry that is key. Our Servo-Electric technology holds plus or minus a half thou or better when it comes to position tolerance and plus or minus 0.5% on force. So you know every time that you're going to get those same results.
Every medical manufacturing application is different. Whether your application requires specific safety requirements or specific clean room requirements, Beckwood has the experience to build the perfect machine for you. As the complexity of medical devices continues to increase, the precision required out of the manufacturing operations does as well. At Beckwood, we're on the cutting edge of machine technology, and our machines are ready to handle any challenge that you throw at us.
And as innovation continues in the medical space, Beckwood is going to be here to partner with them and work alongside them to continue that innovation and make sure that we do our part.